My roasted fish and palm wine is ready. You tell her why it's passing on. Your fish and palm wine.
You all have just succeeded in spoiling my day.
I have decided to organize a contest to find that man or that woman who will make my son happy. And if such a person emerges, I will certainly give the person 1/3 of my vast wealth.
Now me they call Ijele wine. The only woman we know they two for this village. After me, na still me. Because I know get party too. These beauties here are capable of making any man forget any of his psychological problems.
This is a total show of shame, Oledo. I'm not going to find happiness this way.
My friends, I don't say you hear this. You hear the smell. I'm too good in what I do.
If that is all you have to offer, young man, I'll ask that you leave.
There's a more madness has been projected to you, you idiots.
You touch my hand. If you try this again, I go beat you up.
I go change that for you.
Try to change them now. If you talk too much, I will even use this to break your head.
Ijele, everyone that I have declared my intentions to suddenly drops dead the day I mentioned to them that I want to marry them.
One number one door now. Clear the door. My prince do the needful for Ijele why is a special breed. Nobody can kill me.
How could you embarrass my guest like that?
How dare you bring a gutter-extracted nobody into this palace and you have the guts to tell us that is the girl you want to marry?
We are not in the same class. You dey your lane. Allow me make I dey my lane.
Mother, I do not care about class or status. Ijele is my life. She's the air that I breathe and the blood that runs through my veins, mother.
Correct. In fact, the second name for this my palm wine is I know you understand that.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.